Hi, my name is Ambrit and welcome to my channel. If you've never been here before, welcome. If you have, welcome again. So my background is I'm an esthetician, beauty therapist, holistic therapist, trained in the UK many years ago, so the description varies wherever in the world. So without further ado, today's video is about the ordinary natural moisturising factors and plus HA. Is it overhyped? Let's get into the video and find out. So yes, it's deja vu here again, oil slick after a oily day. But without further ado, let's talk about the natural moisturising factors plus HA. First of all, this provides surface hydration. It's a very lightweight moisturiser and you use this after your serums. It's a vegan formula, it's alcohol free, fragrance free and oil free. It comes in two sizes. We have 30 mils, this is 100 mils. The 30 mils is $5.80 and the 100 mils is $10.50. So it has a creamy texture and upon first taking it out you would think it was going to be heavy, but it's not. It's actually very light and it's absorbed into the skin quite quickly. Now it does say on the website suitable for all skin types, but the same again when I reviewed marine hyaluronics, I disagree. For me, this is a nice texture for oily or combination skin types. I feel that for dry skin, you definitely would need a facial oil mixed with this, or apply this and then your facial oil. For me, this is not enough hydration if you had dry skin. The reason why I'm saying is because I have oily skin, but going back 2 months ago, because the humidity was not as high in the winter time, I had to use rosehip seed oil with this in the evening. This for me wasn't enough hydration. So that's my first disagreement. Okay, talk about the ingredients. We have Dermal Lipids, which are triglycerides, fatty acids, and that protects the outer layer of the skin. And then we have Glycerin, urea, allantoin, and that is to give you lightweight, intense but lightweight hydration. Okay, and then we have obviously hyaluronic acid, which hydrates the skin, plumps the skin and retains moisture. Now it also has vitamin E, which is an antioxidant and is also good for calming down any inflammation in the skin. So I would say that this is actually would be quite good for sensitive skin too. But as I say, I really did not feel that this would be enough hydration for dry, dehydrated skin. I only use this in the evening, so I honestly couldn't give you a review about what it would be like underneath makeup. For me, it's an okay moisturiser. It's nothing wow factor, and I actually enjoy the sensorial experience. So I actually like it when I use my Rock Vitamin C in the morning because it does have a slight fragrance. I do enjoy when I use my retinol cream. So I mean, as I say, this is good for me for when I want to, basically if you want a moisturiser and you want a facial oil, this is good to mix. So basically my review of this would be, if you want to use a facial oil and you're at odds what kind of moisturiser to use, it would be good for that to mix with your facial oil, exactly what I do at night time. My final thoughts on this: yes, it's good for oily skin, combination skin, sensitive skin that maybe has, is reactive. It's a good basic moisturiser, but for me it was nothing wow factor, So would I repurchase? No. So that's it from me, folks, about the natural moisturising factors and HA. And until the next skincare video, I will say adios and bye.